With AI, you can create VFX like this. You can be anywhere, and you can become anyone. You can transfer real motion, add lip sync, and expression. Make any character perform exactly what you do. This is the power of motion control. Instead of asking the model to invent movement, we drive it with real human performance. In this video, I'll show you how to do this inside design and 5 practical use cases you can apply to your own projects. Let's get started. Let's start with how to map your dancing motion onto any character. Also, those popular baby dancing videos trending online use the exact same method. For this video, we're using Design AI. Once you're in the project workspace, we can go to motion control. At the top here, we can choose 2 models. Let's select Clean 2.6 for the first demo. Step 1 for any motion control is to upload your driving video. This is the motion you want to transfer. Also make sure that the driving video has only 1 character. Sometimes 2 can work, but it is recommended to have only 1. We want a clear half body or full body framing with continuous and smooth movement. Step 2, we will upload our characters. This one with a train station background and a lot of things happening in the back. We'll see what happens. Now if you're using Clean, you'll notice there's an optional prompt box here. This lets you control additional elements such as background, camera movement, and environmental details. First, I'll leave this blank because there's already a lot of things happening, so I want you to see what would happen even if we don't put any prompt in here. And under final result matching, you have 2 options. If you match the result to the driving video, the camera movement and the orientation will follow the original footage closely. And here, if you match the result to the character image, the subject's starting position will align with your image input, but the camera won't automatically copy the driving video's movement. Overall, when character orientation matches the video, complex motions perform better. But when it matches the image, camera movements are better supported. Below here, we have the sound control, and if your driving video already contains the audio you want to preserve, you can leave this off, because this is an additional add-on to your video. Under here, we can further choose the quality of the video. And from here, we can just hit generate and see what happened. On the right, we have the result from the 16-second dance we did at first.
我们这辈老仔脖子上喜欢挂玉牌，香炉供台上摆，长大才开白黄牌，虔诚拜三拜，钱包里面多几百，一的是6合彩。
So yeah, this is a Chinese song, but you can still see that not only it followed the motion, the expression and the lip syncs are all faithfully transferred to the character. Hands movement used to be hard for AI to do, but you can see from this example, it is so easy for Clean to transfer even like the hardest part. And another thing is the background does not stay static. You can actually see smoke and people walking around. Dance is just the beginning. Here's where this gets useful for anyone creating content for a clothing brand. For a product showcase video like for fashion, you often see the same movement across every outfit, either to showcase all the key details of each piece systematically, or because you found a motion formula that converts well and want to replicate it. We just need one driving video, and every outfit can run off that same reference with identical motion across the board. Once you have a library of those clips, you can also do things like this. And here's how to do it. First, we will select Clean 2.6 motion, upload a driving video. This is an easy motion, but I think it will work because it shows you the front and the back. Now, if you want to keep your video looks similar in terms of where the position is, we want to prepare our character images in the same starting position, but wearing different outfits. This is the model we want to use. To generate alternate outfit in the exact same pose, we'll just upload our base character image onto the canvas and we'll also click the image. So that is uploaded to this chat editor box. Once we click open, we'll see that it is here. I also uploaded the outfit where I got from Emily in Paris. Here's the prompt we can use. Put the outfit of image 2 on the model in image 1. For the tag, you just have to type an @ sign. You can select from the images uploaded. In here, I normally use Nano Banana Pro, or now you can use Nano Banana 2. And for aspect ratio, I will choose 9:16. 2K quality I think is good, and then we can click generate. So here's the result for Nano Banana 2. There's a lot of things on the desk, so I am guessing that it's hard to figure out what outfit means exactly for Nano Banana 2. In this case, Nano Banana Pro gave me a better result, which has the traditional sense of outfit all on her. C3 4.5 is actually giving us a pretty good result to it. But that's how we can generate different outfit like this to keep the exact same posture and same character framing and only change the clothing. So now we just input our character image that we just generated. So in the prompt box, we will type a cute corgi runs straight in, circling around the girl's feet. For the final result, we would do character orientation matches video. And then click generate. I also want to try this one that is more dynamic and probably better fitting for my text prompt. We see like here, there is a corgi just flashed through the scene. The camera didn't give enough space at the bottom, so it's hard for corgi to appear in the scene. But I'll give that a try doing that here. That's why I also generated this one to show you the possibility of controlling things that are not in the image to appear in your video like this. So we generate one video per outfit using the same driving motion. So after you stack them together, you can make these cuts to show different clip at different time. But as you can see, because the timing is matched, so we can create this time bump effect from the video. With the same idea, this is also how I swap into different character in the intro. The only difference for this type of transformation effect, I had to use a start and end frame in the AI video like this with this prompt to make the transformation like this possible. It's also not just for social content. With motion control, you can level up your AI videos with cinematic storytelling. Often, it's a combination of intentional camera movement and control performance that creates the cinematic feel. Recreating that vibe from just text prompt can be hit or miss. With motion control, you can take a scene you already love and transfer its motion into your own story. That's how you achieve a more believable cinematic look like this. For business applications, motion control is useful for A/B testing and scalable ad creation. You can keep the exact same script and performance, but swap in different personas or demographics. That way, you're isolating identity as a variable, not the delivery. This makes it much easier to test different audience and angles and optimize your return on investment.
Okay, I didn't think I needed this, but I use it every single day. I actually can't live without it. It's just part of my routine now.
If you need intricate, precise performance, motion control can be pretty useful. So in motion control panel, we simply just upload a driving video of the guitar performance. For this to work well, your character image must match the exact starting position and orientation of the driving video. The closer of the alignment, the better the result would be. To do that, I screenshot the first frame of the driving video, and this is the prompt I use to create this image so that the position is exactly the same. I further actually transformed this into a different style using this prompt. For the most accurate finger and hand movement, I recommend using Clean with character orientation matches the video. This helps preserve detailed finger placement and hand positioning more precisely.
I had diamond hands and digital gold. Now I forgot the password and I think I'll never know.
That's how you handle high detail performance with motion control. So there you have it, 5 workflows that give you complete control over AI video. Try with the link below and experiment with it on your own projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.